that station go away? Sound like PBS Kids. To the piano station. Please just go off the air. This is more important than the concert. Jesus.
Someday you will lose it. No matter when hard drive stale. Human error, you toss something in the trash, delete a whole hard drive. Ever do that? I have. Bad guys, malware.
Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Sumner County in Middle Tennessee, Macon County in Middle Tennessee, Northern Brownsville County in Middle Tennessee, Southeastern Robertson County in Middle Tennessee, until 7:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 7:15 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Westmoreland to near Gallatin to Millersville, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Gallatin, Springfield, Lafayette, Hartsville, White House, Millersville, Greenbrier, Westmoreland, Raystock, Cross Plains, Portland, Orlando, Richardville, Metgage, Poker Oak, Lansing, County in Middle Tennessee, southeastern Sumner County in Middle Tennessee, northern Wilson County in Middle Tennessee, Southdale County in Middle Tennessee, until 8:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 8:05 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Gallatin, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Gallatin, Lebanon, Carthage, Hartsville, South Carthage, Dixon Springs, A Park, Dickerson Chapel Recreation Area, and Pleasant Shade. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Standard Time for Middle Tennessee. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
And his mom's, and
There it is. I thought they were playing a George Lopez song.
The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Davidson County in Middle Tennessee, southern Sumner County in Middle Tennessee, northwestern Williamson County in Middle Tennessee, northwestern Wilson County in Middle Tennessee, southeastern Cheatham County in Middle Tennessee, southeastern Robertson County in Middle Tennessee, until 8:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 7:32 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Greenbrier to near Kingston Springs, moving east at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Gallatin, Lebanon, Ashland City, Nashville, Madison, Hendersonville, Mount Juliet, Goodlettsville, Millersville, Greenbrier, Forest Hills, Oak Hill, Belle Meade, Kingston Springs, Lakewood, Tigran, Richmond, Hermitage, Laurel Hill, and Bellevue. This includes the following highways: Interstate 40 between mile markers 183 and 232. Interstate 65 between mile markers 77 and 105. Interstate 24 between mile markers 33 and 56. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Standard Time for Middle Tennessee. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.